Campbell, a world leader in chain and fittings, introduces an innovative new design, the Campbell Cradle Grab Hook. The Campbell Cradle Grab Hook vertically suspends the chain's captured link by precisely aligning and supporting the adjacent links on oversized, engineered angled shoulders. The primary cause of chain failure, direct contact with the hook bowl, is eliminated and load stress is more evenly distributed in the link. The result? Operators can lift at 100% of the chain's rated limit without factoring working load reductions. Chain life is extended, and due to their heavy construction, Campbell Cradle Grab Hooks are less likely to deform. Rounded edges on the shoulders and pocket provide secure link engagement as well as smoother chain release. And all Campbell Cradle Grab Hooks are 100% proof tested and are designed for use with grade 100 chain slings. Campbell Cradle Grab Hooks. Better design, higher efficiency. That's Campbell confidence at work.